Welcome to our tutorial on how to display your birth year publicly on X, Twitter, using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. First, locate your profile image at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, find the button in the top right that says Edit Profile and click on it. Scroll down the page until you reach the birth date section. Click on Edit to make changes to your birth date information. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on Edit once again to proceed. Now, select the option for year and choose Public. By setting your birth year to public, you can share this information with all your Twitter followers. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply the update to your profile. This final step ensures that your birth year is displayed publicly on your Twitter profile. By following these simple instructions, you can provide more personal information to your followers and enhance your Twitter profile. Strengthen your online presence and connect with your audience in a more meaningful way. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your Twitter profile to share your birth year with the public.